back to Always Alyssa. Hopefully you're all having a great day so far. Thank you for clicking on this video. So earlier, well, not too much earlier, but today I was getting out of the shower and thinking, what should I do today? And then I realized, you know what? I should film a video for my channel. So yes, I'm filming a video right now. I mean, obviously, I have a camera. But I still don't know what exactly I'm going to do to make this video interesting. So I've been thinking, what if no, that's not a good idea. Ooh, I know, I have it. I should spend today annoying David the entire day. And not just annoying, but copying everything he does. That would be hilarious. He will never see it coming, so let's go find him. Oh, there he is. Hi, David.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Just juggling a soccer ball.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just walking around.
Okay. Give me some space. Seriously, whoa. Okay.
What plate did you get?
Oh my gosh, why do you care?
Isn't it great when I copy my brother and I'm faster than him?
Hey, I was cooking my bagel first. Come on.
Hey, no, we each get a piece. It's fair.
Well,
There you
come
go.
on.
See?
That's
Mine's
not how
right
it
and yours is
works.
the left.
Why are you watching me?
I don't know. Wow, I'm way better at this than you are.
Are we in some sort of competition here?
Nope.
I'm not sure. Let me guess, you're filming some video for that weird channel of yours?
Nope.
Good. I don't want to be on that channel. I would never be on that.
Whoa, it's just like the movies.
Yeah.
Whoa, you're destroying it. Stop.
No, I'm not.
Oh my
I
God.
need some.
What the
Save
heck?
some for me.
Wow. I have to eat that much? Okay, here goes.
Yes! I knew it! I did that because I knew you were copying me. What now?
Nothing you can do about it.
Come on, I needed that. Now it's going to be super ready.
Well, that was messy. Really?
Shouldn't you be doing it too?
Yeah, look, I am. And that's not even the point of the video.
Now it seems that you're copying me. It's getting annoying.
I'm not really copying you because I don't have food on the corner of my lip. Ooh, I like that.
2 hours later.
What the heck? Huh?
Oh my gosh, it's weird. Why are you so annoying?
I don't know. Good question. Why are you not annoying?
No.
Whoa.
No.
Yes.
No, you don't touch these.
Let's see if I can touch it without her noticing.
Nope.
Hey!
No.
You can't do that. That's illegal. I got it. Got it. Hey, that's rude.
Okay, seriously, what are you doing?
Okay, seriously, what are you doing?
This is really stupid.
This is really stupid.
Are you just gonna follow me around all day?
Are you just gonna follow me around all day?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
I see.
I see.
I guess I'll have to stop soon.
I guess I'll have to stop soon. So far, so good. What are you doing? Well, I have to copy you for the day, so... what are you doing?
I'm counting my money.
Whoa, oh my gosh, are you okay? What the? Sir? What on earth was that all about? Oh my gosh. Well, looks like the money's mine. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay. This is easy. Quit with the running.
Oh, I'm gonna go practice some soccer.
Cool. Me too.
Great.
Ooh, she's excited. My turn. I have to put my ball exactly where he did. And then I just gotta shoot. Watch out, unless you're the goalie. Oh, he blocked it. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Now I have to do it.
Okay, I'm gonna go in and get some water.
Okay, me too.
Okay, really?
What?
Okay, I guess I won't go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Because you're so annoying, I deserve a foot massage.
Okay, I'll just leave.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Oh, great. Oh no.
Oh wait, I don't need shoes for this. Can I try?
No.
Please?
For 5 seconds.
Okay, deal. Whoa.
12 seconds later.
Time's up.
What? Hey! You know what? We can share.
Oh my gosh.
Deal.
I have a soccer game tonight. I'm gonna start stretching.
You know what? Since you have a soccer game, I'm just gonna have a soccer game too.
Ugh.
I'm pretty bad at these. That's okay.
I can tell.
I'm sure you can. I'm bad at these too.
See ya.
I'm faster than you think, mister. Why are you running everywhere all of a sudden? Hey, wait up. I still
Get
have
off
to
my
copy
bed.
it. Don't you dare take the pillow back.
Okay. Oh. Ow. That's it.
Don't you dare.
Come on, this is my room. Give up.
Nope. Hey, that's not fair.
Yes, it is.
Wow, funny.
It's totally fair.
Fine, I'll go get my own pillow.
Okay, have a nice walk.
I got my own pillow. So now I can copy you in
Wow.
style.
Have fun getting hairs in your mouth and eyes.
You're not making this easy. Get down! Oh, not fair! I can do that too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Well, can you jump off of here? Just prepare. I think.
You know what?
I think.
I'll just
two
wait till it
steps
comes
ahead.
down. Okay, bye.
Okay. Oh.
I don't think you're gonna be going up there anytime soon. Ah! I got you cornered. Oh! You better watch out.
This is becoming like you being just annoying and obnoxious to being like a war. Well, it looks like this really has turned into a war. So we're gonna eat up and rest up because tomorrow the battle begins.
Go.